Then we're gonna do 2 scoops of our vanilla protein powder. And this is just gonna give you your protein for the day and pretty much be your meal replacement for the day. And then I'm gonna add peanut butter protein powder. Do any flavor you want because I'm gonna do this one with a fruit dough. I don't know how it's gonna taste. But the next one I'm gonna do is a caramel one. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla just to sweeten it. And it's just French vanilla syrup that you can buy online. A little bit of milk. I would do fat-free milk or use oat milk, coconut milk, things like that. I do not have that right now, so I'm just using regular low-fat milk. And then you can add peanut butter. Just do about 2 scoops of it. And then you can mix that up a little bit. I'm gonna use a fork. Put a little bit of honey. Alright, I just want to pop in really quick and tell you guys about our 21-day challenge. Okay, so it's a weight loss challenge. It's going to be so good for you. It's so competitive. It's going to help you challenge yourself, help you manage your weight, help you lose your pounds using our products. But using our products is not going to be the only thing that's going to help you lose weight. You're also going to be following recipes for your meals. So you'll be following our drink recipes, you'll be following our workouts, you'll be making your own workouts if you want to. This will help better your mind and your body. There's just a small entry fee, but whoever wins gets all the entry fee money as the jackpot. There's tons of other prizes. You can win lift off, you can win shake mixes, you can win pins, you can win a tumbler. There are so many things. I will personally go through with you and work with you and figure out what meal program and what programs/plans will work with you. There's ABCD programs. It goes off your height and your weight, and we will figure out what program works best for you. We can sit down and schedule a wellness profile, go over it on Zoom, go over it in person, wherever you are, whatever you want to do. Anyone can join this challenge. So we do them every month. But for this month, the deadline is until August 31st. So if you would want to sign up for that, please let me know, and I will sign you up. I can't wait to help you reach your goals. Back to regular scheduled programming. Let's keep doing it. As you can see, it's not fully mixed up, so you gotta go over here. So if you want to become a customer or become a preferred member and get an even higher discount, or even if you want to become a distributor, you can go to myherbalife.com. If you want to just purchase as a customer, you can go to my link down below and use my website. If you want to become a preferred member, you would go to myherbalife.com, apply online, And then once you make your account, you can go to preferred member, and then you'll type in my membership ID and the first 3 digits of my last name. And if you have any questions or anything like that, go ahead and feel free to follow my social medias below and message me, and I will help you along on this journey. If you want to fill out a wellness profile, there are links down below in the description box, and it's about wellness profiles. It has an order form if you want to order products, I think, and it has my website down below. Sure to check it out.